Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, let's learn the laws of logarithms. Note that the laws of logarithms are interrelated to the laws of indices. So if you know the laws of indices, you can easily write down the laws of logarithms. Are you getting it? And if you know the calculations under indices, you can easily calculate equations under logarithms. So take note, okay? So let's start. Let's start from number one. The first law of logarithm, the product law. Okay, so the first law is the product law. Like example, let's say we have something like this. Let's say we have log base a raised to power m n. So if you have something in this form, log base a raised to power m n, you know that this middle is what sign of multiplication. Is a multiplication sign that is what is binding these two letters together, right? You know m times n is what? Mn, isn't it? So it's the law of what? Multiplication that is binding these two alphabets together. So if you have something like this, log base a raised to power mn, you can write it in this form. You can split log base a m plus log base a n. Are you getting it now? So this is the same thing as what? This. So this is the first law. Let's say we have log base 2 raised to power 2 times 4. You can write it in this form. From this law, you can easily write it, right? Log base 2 raised to power 2 plus log base 2 raised to power what? 4. So all you need is the understanding of all the laws in both indices and logarithms. Okay, so this is the first law, which is what? The product of the multiplication rule. So if here is multiplication, you can split it and the middle will be what? Addition. Okay, let's go straight to the second law, which is the quotient law. The quotient law. Okay, let's say we have log base a raised to power m all over n. Here is what? The sign of division, right? So this, you can write it in this form: log base a raised to power m negative or minus log base a raised to power n. So if here is division, the middle here will be what? Minus. The first one is here is what? Is multiplication, while here is plus or addition. But this second one here is division, then here will be what? Minus. Okay, let's use this as, let's use numbers. Let's say we have log base 10 raised to power 5 all over 4. Then you can write it in this form: log base 10 raised to power 5 minus log base 10 raised to power what? 4. Are you getting it now? So this is the second law. The first one is a product law, while the second one is what? Is a quotient law. Okay, let me clean. So we go straight to the third law. So the third law is the power law. Let's say we have log base a raised to power m exponent p. Okay, this one is log a m raised to power p. Okay, so if you have something like this is what you do. You will move this exponent to your to the back of log. Okay, so it will be p log base a raised to power m. raised to m. Are you getting it? So this is the third law. If you have something in this form, you will move this up number or alphabet to the back of log, then log base a raised to m. Okay, let's use number. Let's say we have log base 10 um 2 raised to power 3. You write 3 log base 10 raised to 2. Are you getting it? So this is the what third law, which is the power law. So if you have something in this form, you will move this to the back of log, then log base 10 raised to what 2. This is the third law. Let's go to the fourth law. The fourth law, let's say we have log a. You can see that these two alphabets are the same. Log base a and a is the same, right? So equal to 1. If you have something in this form, you can see that both the base and the upper one, they are what similar, the same, right? So it will be equal to 1. Are you getting it? Also, log base b raised to b is equal to 1 since they are the same. Let's use numbers. Let's say we have log base 10 raised to 10 is equal to 1. Okay, log base 2 raised to 2 equal to 1. Log base 100 raised to 100 is equal to 1. So please take note. When the two alphabets or the two numbers are the same, it is equal to 1. Okay, let's go to the fifth law. The fifth law, let's say we have log base a m raised to power x all over y. From the laws of indices, that's why I said the laws of indices and logarithms, they are related. So if you understand the laws of indices, you can easily write down the laws of logarithms. Okay, so if we have something in this form, log base am raised to m raised to power x all over y, you can write it in this form: y root m, you put m raised to x. Are you getting it? Let's say here is log log a. Okay, let's use numbers. Let's say we have log 10 raised to 100 raised to power 2 all over 3. The same way you write 3 root or cube root 100 square. We have log here. Okay, so with these rules or these laws, you can what easily calculate questions under logarithm. I get it. So if you really understand these laws, you can go back to your textbook and start solving simple questions under logarithm. I get it. So in my next video, make sure you write all these laws down. If you don't understand, you can restart the video and watch again. Okay. So in my next video, I'll be solving complex questions. Okay, more other questions under logarithms by applying all these laws. Okay, so if you have not followed this page, make sure you follow this page for more videos. Okay, and please share this video. Okay, follow. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe for more videos. More videos are coming. Okay, if you don't understand, restart the video and watch again. So in my next video, I'll be solving complex questions where we are going to be applying all these laws I've just written down. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.